Okay, we're going to review using the Content Center and getting project settings to work with the Content Center. So make sure you start Inventor by using your project settings. Now check your project settings. Appropriate folder. And for what we're up to here, just to make sure that you've got the project settings set to save Content Center files in the correct folder. Okay. Everything else is okay. Now let's open the assembly. Now, Content Center files didn't open, likely because the project settings weren't used when the assembly was created. Okay. Now, this assembly has some extra things that'll come into a later assignment. For now, let's just delete them. Notice the fasteners didn't load, so now we have to go back and get them, and they'll be saved in the right place. So select the component and replace it from the Content Center. Back to them here now. Have parts, clips. Size 7. And we should be able to replace them all. Now, that error indicates errors in the constraints. We'll fix those. I'm just going to delete them. And we'll get the new ones back in there. Make sure they're in place good enough. Pull out. That will work. Similarly for the set screw. Place it from the content center. Forged. Flat point. 6. Inches. Okay, now they should be there. Everything's saved. We're going to here. Let's try. Make sure that assembly opens again. So first thing is to save it. Exit it. Let's exit the software. Start again. So using the project settings. Open the assembly. Okay. That's the way we want it to work.